Oh yeah, uru. Sometimes we forget how powerful softness is. Um, Morning with a little rain, a cup of coffee. I'm learning that thriving is about allowing more light, more joy, more peace, and all this in ordinary things. So this is what power looks like. Not loud, not rushed, just true. Kusema tu ukweli, I don't like being in the kitchen. I have a dream that one day I'll have a chef. But in the meantime, while people are cooking and not inviting me, I guess I will cook. Yani, I can't believe that the time I used to cook every single day, fresh food, and pack for Jabari lunch every single day. Why? Hey, thank God I don't have to do that now. This will probably last me 1 month. Siko baya Jabari, but where?
Hey, got Willa. They took my daughter.
I love gardening. My other dream is to wake up and start my day in the garden and then end my day in the garden. But in the meantime, because I have a small space and limited to pots, leo tutafanya madhogodhanio because this meal, sukuma wiki, basil, and moringa. I've never tried it before, but let's see.
Get comfortable. You're in yourself. Thank you.
The experiment begins. Sukuma wiki, basil na moringa. Whew. Let's see how it tastes. Let us see how it tastes. It's all about trial and error, sindio? Wacha tujaribu tuone.
This is my favorite. This needs to come to an end. This needs to come to an end. The dishwasher.
Oh my god.
We have a perfectly fine dishwasher. The dishwasher works. Let me show you. The dishwasher works, guys. Look. Onayi madness. Onayi madness. It opens. It closes. But for some reason,
Imagine.
but for some reason, We gotta hand wash everything.
It's cleaner that way.
We gotta hand wash everything. And he get this. We literally just had a broken dishwasher, so I understand hand washing them. But we bought a dishwasher that actually works. To hand wash them again. To hand wash them again. To hand wash them again. Come on, man. Okay. And you hear how she said because it gets everything clean. That makes me to the next point. Kenyan moms don't trust anything. They think everything is a scam. So you're telling me that's that dishwasher over there. That's caca. What do you call it? That's no, it's on the tip of my tongue. I really forgot what it's called. Laundry. What is it called? No, laundry wash. Like the American laundry.
Oh.
Laundry.
Washer?
Yeah, the laundry washer. So you're telling me, you're telling me that machine over there cleans your clothes and that one cleans your dishes. And you don't have to touch anything. And it's for free.
For free? When I just see money,
Nah lie, oh. Nah lie, oh. They don't touch anything. Oh, it's
I want to put up my baby for adoption. Come in. Sit. Karen's baby.
She's doing great. I've fed her twice already.
That's quite the appetite.
Yes. Actually, he seemed quite smitten with her.
I was looking at my website and I was thinking, maybe it's stuck. But then again, maybe it's not stuck. Maybe I'm the one who's stuck. And maybe that's okay. I think I'll keep returning to my work, to my purpose, not to fix, but to remember or remember. Haya, sasa tuende kwa cherehani. I tried to sew an apron, but I ended up stitching my patients instead. I guess creativity is not about perfection. It's about returning over and over again to the joy of making. The thread seems to have been tangled, but that character development, I had to adjust kidogo and just let it be. But I will cut the pattern and then take it from there.
My first project was a small molecule acid that directly had a connection with a person that I was very, and I'm still very close with, and that just made my work more and more meaningful.
Market with actually the biggest challenge is to get the animals, not the market.
Wait, the animals, not the market?
Not the market. Because
and also
so thank you very much. My name is Dr. Monica. A lot of people call me Joe. I'm the founder of Mifugo Farm. We are located in Joe. And when I got there, I again wanted art. So I got the art of making a coat. So I again bought another 20. And then thought of harmonizing both sheep and goats.
Yeah.
So I again added 20 goats.
Okay, I think it's time to give up gracefully. And let's see how the mandogodanyo tastes like. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all, but some things should just be left alone. Sukuma wiki should just be sukuma wiki, no mandogodanyo. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. Oriti.
Ako ngayon mana ane mana nara.
What you said?